In this video, I will show you how to create a form in Airtable. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is go to airtable.com, search this, and then my data is all about digital video production. So anything is okay. And then click on forms, and then you will see new form or view templates, and I will choose new form. And then you will choose a table here. You can create new table or you can click on existing table. So for me, I will choose the create new table here. And then I will add a table name. So for example, I will type this and form name is tutorial example. And then you will see here you can view it as mobile or desktop and then create form. Wait for it. And then here you will see the form. So you can edit this. So for example, you can add a cover image, but it has a plan. You need to upgrade and also add a logo. You need to upgrade also. For the free plan, you will see here, you can edit title. You will see fields like for groups. And then you will see an appearance. You can show background color or anything else in here in the right or in the right side. And then you can edit the message. And then you can show a submit another response. You can turn it off or on. And then the email responses, you can choose your email here. And then after that, you will see the plus sign. So this is the elements you will add in this form. For example, is single line text. So in the field name, I will type name. And then after that, I will select user. And then click on create field. And then here, you can also edit the visibility in rules, and then you can also remove the existing form here or elements. And here, you can also add a group here. For example, I will add a date. And then I will name it. So for example, is date for example. And then I will choose the date. And then I will choose the US. And I will check the include time. Then after that, I will click on create field. So you will see it here. You can also rename the group. And you can also add a description here. So for example, I will type here, this is just for tutorial purposes. So here. And here is the submit button in the form. And then to publish it, click on publish here at the upper right. Then wait for it and then click on done. Wait for it, and after that, you will choose if anyone on the web, visible it to anyone. Click on continue, or you can anyone at a domain or only users with base access, or you can type a password here and click on copy link to share it to other people. And that's it. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.